In this section, we'll look at entering the data from the surveys for the data entry exercise. The first step is to collect 5 cases of data using the survey and following the survey administration guidelines. Secondly, download the SPSS data entry template and rename the file with your student number. Give each of the surveys a unique ID number from 1 to 5 by putting the ID number in the top right hand corner of the first page of each survey. Then enter the data using the coding indicated below, and we will now demonstrate some features of the data entry file. In the first column, enter your student ID number, and this will be the same in each of the 5 rows. Then we have the unique participant ID number, and there are now a series of categorical questions. The coding for these questions can be found back on the instructions or in the variable view. We can see here that males are labelled 0, females 1, or we can switch on the value label toggle and then use pull down menus to select the options. If you're not sure what a variable stands for, hover over it. This is Survey Research and Design student. Age in years, whether the student is international or not. Degree, just enter whatever the student wrote in the survey. Living status has several options. Enrollment status, part-time or full-time. Percentage of degree complete in whole numbers. Stress and coping levels. Average mark as a percentage. Hours of work per week, hours of classes per week, hours of study per week. Open-ended responses here to most satisfied and least satisfied, and then you're into the Likert scale measures for satisfaction, health and well-being, and then time management. So when all 5 rows are complete, leaving any missing data as blank, save your data and then go on to Moodle to submit the data. On the Moodle site, scroll down to Assessment and then click on Data Submission, and you should then be able to browse and upload your file. Once you've done that, then make sure to provide hard copies of the 5 hard copy surveys with a cover sheet by a week later.